Hello student, I am Sachin Kumar. I am going to teach you physics of class 9 chapter first motion. Discuss concept of motion and rest. In our everyday life, we observe a large number of objects. Some objects are at rest while some in motion. But how may I decide which objects are in motion and which objects are at rest? You can see that some objects move one place to another place and some objects stay on the same place. What is mean of motion? Motion, an object is said to be in motion if its position change continuously with respect to its surrounding or reference point. Any object is said to be in motion if its position change continuously with respect to its surrounding or reference point. Point A, suppose a reference point, its surrounding, object is moved, then we can say object in motion. Suppose a car A stand point A, then start, then move point B. So point A surrounding, we know car in motion because car is moved A to B. Car is moved A to B. Car is stand point A but move point B. So we can say object is moved A to B. So change the position object with respect to its surrounding. Point A. Point A, its surrounding. We know object in motion. Now rest. An object is said to be at rest if its position does not change with respect to its surrounding or reference point. But what do you mean of rest? An object is said to be at rest if its position does not change with respect to its surrounding. Point A, its surrounding. Any object does not change position, so we can say object in at rest. Suppose car A stand point A. Then on comparing point A, car is not moved, its surrounding no change, so we can say car is at rest. We know we can say object, any object position change with respect to surrounding, so we can say object in motion what does not change position with respect to surrounding, object in at rest. The next video, scalar and vector quantity. Listen to me carefully and learn this topic, motion and rest, and note your notebook.